to today's video. This is a very different. We're in bathroom or whatever. Hey, we're doing something a bit different, you know. It's summertime, a new year, school year, like college is starting for me. So I thought, let's dye my hair or bleach my hair or whatever you want to call it. I'll be bleaching my hair, coloring it, making it a bit blonder, if that's what you would want to say. Or I'm not even gonna be doing anything. My sister, my freaking 14-year-old sister, is going to be coloring my hair, bleaching it. We got all the supplies yesterday at Sally's Beauty, and let me do a little haul of what I got. So I got some clips to clip my hair. I got a bowl, a brush, the basics, some bleach powder. I saw this video and her hair turned out amazing, and we got the same stuff that she did, so I hope it turns out like that. Some developer. I just know that we have to mix this together, not much. Get some color, and on camera it looks really bright, but it's honestly not that bright. Yeah, it's 7.5 medium ash blonde, so that's what we're doing. I don't know if you guys know or not, because like on camera right now it does not show it at all, but I have like natural highlights like up here and like down here, and it's kind of like a chestnut color. I think the lighting's better here, definitely, so we'll just keep it here. Let's see how this goes. Really kind of scared, you know, this is a big change. Oh, we need a before and after picture. Okay, can you kind of see, like my hair's not like dark brown, like this is like, do you see what I mean? I don't know, can you see that? Like, do you know what I'm talking about? I hope so. I don't really know. Okay, let's see if we can do it here. Okay guys, we're starting. We're sectioning it off first. So behind
right here?
Yeah, from behind my ear.
Where's your ear?
Like
behind ear.
Ear, behind. So make that little circle.
Can you just stop? Show your stupid, disgusting hair. Being angry. You're always yelling at me. Why am I dyeing your hair? No, do it yourself.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Yeah, goodbye.
What the heck? Stop!
Goodbye.
This is not funny. Can you just come back and do it? What the heck? We have everything set and we're dyeing my hair today. That's what you said, so come.
Then quit yelling at me.
I'm not yelling for you. There, I didn't have to do the other side. Hey guys, so we just finally made that. I don't even know how that is. That less?
Yeah, it's less. Oh,
okay. Anyways, I look like an alien, but we're gonna put the bleach in the cup and get this process started. We started at 2, so let's see how long this takes. Okay, we're adding everything in.
This is the bleach.
Basically.
I need to say that.
On one side, this is supposed to be on one side. The other side's supposed to be over here somewhere.
Okay, I know. Shut up.
So is it parted correctly?
Yes.
And then do W's, okay?
Yes.
Do you want to watch it again?
No.
And then use your hand at the end when you have to
No.
make it. Why didn't you just listen? What is your issue with that?
You get.
Section I take is just a straight across horizontal section.
Okay. Now I'll cut some pieces out. What?
Should we just wait 30 minutes for this to see if it actually works?
Wait, what is wrong? Why are you?
I don't know.
freaking
Let's just wait 30 minutes and see if it actually works.
I'm not waiting 30 minutes for this one thing.
Just do it.
Oh my god. Is this gonna be a fun, interesting video?
Watch it. End up. So bad. Okay, how much at the bottom do you want?
A lot. Like that's where the main thing is.
Yeah, I didn't do that on the last one.
What? I literally specified that like so many times. Can you stop? Come back and come here and do the rest.
No, this is enough for me.
Where the heck are you going? You're being annoying. So can you just do but make it long.
Oh.
Now do that same thing to the other side. Ow! Stop! Ow!
It's fun.
Hippo!
It's for the thumbnail.
Okay.
even if the sun goes down on you.
Hey guys, so this is how far we've gone.
I done mine.
I don't understand why she put all this foil, but I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I hope it turns out well. I'm so scared actually. Now we have these last two sections up here and then we're done, and then we actually have to put the color in. So. Ow! Hey guys, so oh my god. So my sister just did it and on her hair and she took it out and it's like blonde. So we just finished. We have to wait till like 4:35 so I can take it out, wash it, and then finally put in that color. I look like a pilgrim right now. Hey guys, so I'm about to take this all out. I'm near the bathtub. Let's see how blonde this gets.
We have to show the viewers.
Go on that side.
Hey,
Stop.
my gosh.
What the?
What? You're scaring me.
This just looks like Mama's hair.
Yeah, it does. Wait, there's still some. Yeah. And there's
Ew,
still
it's
more.
weird and
There's still more.
crusty.
Okay guys, just came out of the shower. It's like there. We have light hair now, guys. Can you see that? Like, it's everywhere. I kind of like it. I'm so confused. Okay, let me tell you my situation now. Okay, so here's my hair. It's kind of like drying. I blow dried it, but I like it. Like, what the heck? I like this. Anyways, I look like a lion, but it's like different. I think it's gonna get lighter. So this is just the lightener. This isn't even the bleach, or no, this isn't even the color. But I'm confused now if I should go lighter. I don't know if I should go lighter or I should just keep this, just the lightener that I put in, because the color I got was like medium ash brown and I don't know if I should do it. Like, it's light. This looks like what an Indian or Pakistani like girl would do, you know what I mean? I don't know if you know what I mean, but Desi girls, do you know what I mean? See you guys with my final say, maybe in a day, maybe in a few hours.
Goes down on.
So I decided that I am actually gonna use this color. So I don't really know how to use this, but we'll figure it out. I kind of look like a lion right now. What is he smiling about in the background? Okay, so you guys, after doing this, and the final look, I'm not gonna record it all because my sister, bruh, my sister is sleeping, so what now?
Your hair looks like caramel dog poop.
What the heck? That's so mean. Zad, this is just lightener. This isn't even it. So you guys, after doing this, bye. I just colored my hair, but it's like I have like 15 more minutes left, and then we'll see if it honestly does it. I don't know if it's gonna do anything, but I'm kind of scared, but we'll see. I'll give you guys the end results. I just like washed my hair real quick with the conditioner that they gave in the box, and I'm just confused now because my hair's back to normal. Is this like a freaking gone wrong? Like, it looked good, didn't it? I'm so confused. What is wrong? What did I do? I mean, here's some light. Okay, guys, so here is the end result. I hope. I freaking hope. I don't even know what color it is anymore. But like in the sun, it's like orange, brown. I don't freaking know, chestnut. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below because I really think I destroyed my hair for this. I'm not here for it. Actually, maybe I am. I don't really know. I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe down below and be a part of the family. Did this to my hair. I don't even know what shade it is. I thought it went back to normal. And I was really sad about that, but I don't know. I think it's only in the sun, and I really hope it's not. Let me see. Never mind, my hair is definitely light without the sun in it. But yeah, check out my other videos that I've been posting because I'm on my grind. I will see you guys this week with another video because I upload twice a week now because, you know, I'm on that grind and everything. But yeah, I hope you guys liked my video, and try this at home maybe if you want to. But yeah, peace. I can't believe I did this. Oh my god.
That's facts. Big blue bills and